In this video, we are going to see how we can reconcile the trial balance report before moving forward to day-to-day transactions. As you can see here that we have entered all the ledgers along with the opening balances, and then we have learned how we can create the customers and their balances, vendors and their balances, and finally we have learned how we can enter all the inventory details along with the opening balance. Now that all the balances are entered in the Tally Prime software, it should match in the trial balance report with exact same balance on the debit and credit side. So let's see. So from the gateway of Tally, I'll click on the display more reports section right here. And once we click here, go to trial balance. If you want to see the detail, alternate F1 is the key. Hold alternate key and press F1. And there we see all the balances on the debit and credit side, and there is no difference in opening balances as you can see here. As far as total are concerned, 4762,730 on both sides should be there, and it is exactly matching our trial balance which we have in our project. So just check before moving forward, make sure everything is good, and if not, you can just click any particular balance and go in the further details until you see the final entry. Or since we have only entered the masters, we can go to the master section and you can click on alter, select ledger and select any ledger to correct the balance if it doesn't match. So that's how you finally reconcile the opening trial balance. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.